In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a multilingual website in Wix. If you're planning to engage a global audience, having a multilingual website is essential, and Wix provides a straightforward way to achieve this. Let's dive into how you can set this up. First, you'll need to head over to Wix.com and log into your account. A simple way to do this is to type Wix Login into your preferred search engine, where you'll find the link right at the top. Go ahead and click it. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your Wix dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the sites you're currently working on, an organized spot bustling with possibilities. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to click on Wix.com, Website Builder. This is your creative hub, where all your inventive designs and ideas can come to life. In that Builder area, select the site you want to transform into a multilingual platform by clicking on Select Site. Take a moment to appreciate the fact that the site you choose will soon support multiple languages, opening up doors to an even wider audience. Next, search for the Apps section on the dashboard. Once you've found it, give it a click. This is where the magic really starts. You'll want to navigate to the App Market. A treasure trove of applications awaits, each ready to enhance and expand your website's capabilities. In the App Market, you'll see a search box. Type in Wix Multilingual and press Enter. This app is your secret weapon in turning your site into a multilingual platform. When it appears, hit the Wix Multilingual button. Now you're almost at the finish line. You'll notice an option to Add to Site. Click it. This one click incorporates the multilingual functionality directly into your website. Once the app is added, you'll have the option to click on Open. Do so, and you'll find yourself on a setup page where we'll start selecting languages. On this setup page, you'll see an option to Design Site. Click on it to begin choosing your primary language. This is crucial, as it's the main language your site is currently set in and will act as the base from which all other translations will be made. By using Wix Multilingual, you'll have the app automatically manage the language changes, allowing visitors to seamlessly switch between languages. It's an incredible time saver, and it ensures consistency for everyone navigating your website. Spending extra time to explore all the app's features will be very beneficial. That's it. Your site is now ready to greet an international audience. You've effectively optimized your site to communicate clearly with users who speak different languages. Thank you for tuning in. Now go ahead and make your website speak more than one language.